Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Recette Maroc. In today's recipe, I'll be showing you how to prepare a fresh Mediterranean salad with olive oil. Here are the ingredients that you'll be needing. The head of a romaine lettuce, 2 diced tomatoes, remove the seeds beforehand, a half of a diced cucumber, a half of a sliced onion, 1 teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and the juice of half a lemon. Finally, chop the romaine lettuce and place in a big bowl. Dice next the cucumber and add to the bowl. Dice the tomatoes and add them to the rest of the ingredients. Add next the onion, the olive oil, the lemon juice, and the spices. Mix well and serve immediately. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and don't hesitate to like the video or share it with your friends. And please subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss out on any future videos.